Well, this is something you don't see every day. Some of the local wildlife out having an awesome time in the Philippines. Some acrobatics. This is such a cool spot. Nice deep water for diving. And the scenery here is just special. Clean, clear, cool mountain water. Out in the middle of nowhere. There is just so much of this going on in the Philippines. It's a great place to hike, and anytime you want, you can just jump in and cool off. Look at that, huh? The kids are having a great time here. Fun and adventure. That's what we do.